Hi everyone, konnichiwa. Today I will be making Hermit Cookies, which are a traditional New England dessert. I'm originally from New England in the United States. It's the northeastern part of the United States. Hermit Cookies are one of my father's favorite desserts, so they are something I might make for him on Father's Day if I were back in the United States for that holiday. So without further ado, let's get started. Tsukurimashou! So these are the ingredients I'll be using today. Usually you use molasses in traditional hermit cookies, but I could not find molasses here, so I am using maple syrup, and then some walnuts and raisins to go in at the end. So we mix the flour and the baking soda and salt together, then we'll set them aside. So we've added the brown sugar to the larger bowl. We'll add the butter. I melted it a little bit to make it easier to mix. The maple syrup. You can also use honey as a substitute. And we will crack the egg. Then we'll add a little bit of vanilla. And we slowly add the powder. Add the spices. And we'll add our raisins and our walnuts. The cookie tray with parchment paper. So now hold on to the parchment and spread. That's what it will look like. But we will put it in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. And you wait for it to cool. There we go. And that is how you make New England hermit cookies. Thank you so much, everyone.